This is the DenTek Professional Fit Dental Guard we bought after my husband's dentist warned him that he's been grinding his teeth and needed a mouth guard at night. So we bought this and we're gonna go through unboxing it, getting the fit right, and all that good stuff. So let's go. It comes with a mouth guard, a handle, a tray, and a mouth guard storage container. It gives you instructions for doing it on the stovetop or the microwave. We did the stovetop. Basically, you boil water, then you take it off heat, let it sit for 10 seconds. You lock the dental guard into the tray and you put it in the boiling water for 45 seconds. You take it out with a fork. You run it under cold water for no more than 1 second. Then you put it in your mouth and line it up carefully. Then you firmly bite down and wait for 2 minutes while it hardens around your teeth. After that, you take it out and rinse it for at least 20 seconds and then pull it out of the tray. This was the hardest part for us, but after a minute or so of tugging at it gently, we finally popped it out and it is the perfect fit. It molded to my husband's teeth perfectly. It didn't go like all the way around his teeth, so you could not use this for, let's say, teeth whitening, something like that. But as far as for grinding, it's perfect because it has so much material between the upper and lower teeth. We're loving it and we think you will too.